Okay, so good evening, everyone. And as you know that we are going through tense, and I know you people have become very expert in these days after going through different session on tenses. So we have how to speak affirmative sentence. Affirmative का मतलब होता है कि suppose राम जाता है. Then we have done negative sentence also. राम
Does
नहीं जाता है
does
ना?
not.
Right. Does not. Ram does not go. Then we talked about interrogative,
Does,
sentences. क्या राम जाता है? Does
does
Ram
not
go to?
go.
Right. Does
Hmm.
Ram go? Then we talked about negative interrogative.
Doesn't Ram go?
Does Ram not go? क्या राम
Okay.
नहीं जाता है?
Doesn't
Right.
he? Okay. Pronoun होने से आगे
Right
आता है.
now, right now we'll not go for doesn't because that's a different part. Okay.
Contracted. Okay.
Does Ram not go?
Mhm.
Okay. Then we last class we learned abbreviated negative. Matlab Ram doesn't go. It is
Oh, now.
as same as negative form, but this is we call it abbreviated negative. Means there is an abbreviation. So instead of does not, we use doesn't. Okay.
Hmm.
So to and as we know that tense, I believe you are now very much expert in this. These are the tense chart. If you want to see again, you can go through it. I believe all the boxes are very much clear to you because you have been into tense for last few days. Okay. Now today our class we are doing on abbreviated negative interrogative. Means it will be abbreviated also and interrogative also. And it is as same as negative interrogative. Like, does she not go to market? Does she not go to market? We did it in negative interrogative, but this time we will be doing it in a abbreviated negative form. So we'll see some example, like she is not going to market. So as we all know, the answer will be, isn't she going to market? Isn't she? So in this case, what is happening? With the first verb, we are using the not in an abbreviated form. So it will be isn't. So no need to add not again. So the sentence will be, isn't she going to market? Isn't she going to market? क्या वो बाजार नहीं जा रही है? Isn't she going to market? Okay, now I will be asking to someone, so don't reply anyone, but before reply my computer replies it already. So she feels good. So she feels good, the answer is that, doesn't she feel good? Doesn't she feel good? Doesn't she feel good? Okay, now I'll be asking question to Nisha ji. Okay, Nisha, although uh, I believe that you should be able to answer this. The next is, she spoke to me. What will be, please, nobody will answer. Nisha, you try to answer what could be the right answer.
Speak to me.
Yeah, again repeat.
Didn't she speak to me?
Didn't she speak to me? Okay, let's see. Bhavana, what do you suggest? Please unmute yourself.
Didn't she speak to me?
Didn't she speak to me? Okay, Robindro, what do you think?
Didn't she speak to me?
Okay, all are speaking the right. Okay, that's wonderful. Very good. Absolutely right. The answer is, didn't she speak to me? Didn't she speak to me? See, whenever you speak this didn't, no need to sound the letter D again. The second D. You please don't sound it. It should be pronounced as didn't. Didn't. It's not didn't. It's not didn't. It's didn't. Didn't she speak to me? Didn't she speak to me? Okay, very good. Okay, let's see. Let's do some examples. If the sentence is, she plucks flowers. She plucks flowers. Okay. So I would ask Kavalji right now. So Kavalji, what will be the present indefinite in a abbreviated negative interrogative form?
Doesn't she pluck flowers?
Doesn't she pluck flowers? Very nice. Very good. Okay, we'll go to the next person. Naturally, Neha, will you try? Yeah. Please unmute yourself.
Sir?
Okay, Prashanti, would you?
Yeah, can you hear me, sir, now?
Okay, where are you? Okay, yeah, Neha, tell me. Yeah, Isn't she
plucking flowers?
Absolutely right. Okay, I forgot to put S here. Okay, isn't she plucking flowers? Isn't she plucking flowers? Absolutely right. Yeah, Prashanti, would you try again?
Sir, that present indefinite means it doesn't say plucks flower or pluck flower, sir?
Doesn't always, we learned in our verb partnership that whenever you use does or do or did, the next verb will be mother form.
Okay.
You should write it down somewhere, so because it is very important. Many people, they use this. Does, when you're adding does, you should always add mother form. Okay, Prashanti, so what will be the next present perfect?
Hasn't she plucked flower?
Absolutely right. Hasn't she plucked flowers? Hasn't she plucked flowers? Absolutely right. Okay, I'll go for the next person. Prakashni, tell me the perfect continuous. Please unmute yourself.
Aren't she plucking flowers?
No. Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. You have to use has there.
Oh, okay. The last one, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Hadn't hasn't been she plucking flowers?
Yeah, absolutely right. But always keep the subject part after the first verb. So it should not be hasn't been she. It will be hasn't she been.
Okay.
Okay. Hasn't she been plucking flowers? Hasn't she been plucking flowers? Hasn't she been plucking flowers? Okay, Jasmeet, will you try the past indefinite, or you want to? You can try. I'm not expecting कि आप सही बोलोगे, but you can try. Past indefinite. Your voice is not coming, Jasmeet. Your voice is not coming. I don't know. There must be some problem. Yeah.
Did it?
Go ahead. It's
Now
coming.
I'm audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible. You are audible.
Didn't she pluck flower?
Absolutely right. Didn't she pluck flowers? But again, didn't nahi, huh? Didn't. Ah. Shreya, tell me the past continuous.
Will be weren't she plucking flower?
Okay, ask question. It should not be weren't, is wasn't she? Wasn't she plucking flowers? Wasn't she plucking flowers? Absolutely. Shogoto, tell me the past perfect.
Hadn't she plucked flower?
Absolutely right. Hadn't she plucked flowers? Hadn't she plucked flowers? Nomita, are you there, Nomita? Okay, Nomita is
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nomita,
Yes,
can you tell me the past perfect continuous?
yes, sir. Hadn't she been plucking flower?
Yeah, okay. You are asking questions, so your pronunciation will go a bit in a higher pitch. So absolutely, hadn't she been plucking flowers? Hadn't she been plucking flowers? Absolutely right. Okay, again, I'll go to Nisha. Nisha, can you tell me the future? Future indefinite.
Yes, sir. Won't she pluck flowers?
Absolutely right. Won't she pluck flowers? Absolutely right. Okay, we'll go again to Kavalji. Kavalji, can you tell me the future in continuous?
Won't she be plucking flowers?
Absolutely right. Won't she be plucking flowers? Okay, Robindro, can you tell me the future perfect?
Won't she have plucked flower?
Won't she have plucked flowers? Absolutely right. Very nice. Okay, now I'll go for the Bhavna for the last sentence.
Yes, sir. Won't she have been plucking flowers?
Okay, yes, absolutely right. Won't she have been plucking flowers? Very nice. Very good. So I believe that it is very much clear to everyone now. And what we have done is abbreviated negative interrogative. Okay, I'll just show you the answers, and I will not ask you this time. You yourself will, self-analyze, and you will keep in your mind and you will practice this. She has the secret. Okay, let's do it. I think this will be a challenge for you again. So this is the last practice we'll be doing. She has the secret. She has the secret. Okay, this is the sentence. She has the secret. Okay, so now I'll first go to Prakashni. So Prakashni, can you tell me present indefinite? Yeah, Prakashni, please unmute yourself.
Doesn't she has the secret?
Doesn't she has the secret? There is a slight mistake is there. Can you please recognize that? Doesn't she has the secret? There is a slight mistake, Prakashni. Doesn't she has? Doesn't she has? You said doesn't she has?
Okay.
It is a very simple mistake you have done, but not expected, of course. Very silly mistake, very small. Small, but this is very important that we should find out the answer.
So the present form is she has the secret, and she
Yes.
has not have the secret.
May I, sir?
Just a minute now. I want Prakashni should get the things done, completely. So Prakashni, you said, doesn't she has the secret? So it is does here. The first verb is does. So what will be the next verb form? After does, what will be the next form? As per partner verb. It's okay. Let's find out. Bhavna, can you make it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Doesn't she have the secret?
Okay, so answer will be doesn't she have the secret, not has
Other
the
form.
secret. Because after does or did, it should always be
Mother
have, mother form. Okay, please, we need to be very, very observant and attentive, and, always keep your mind open, because we cannot make any wrong sentence now. Okay, so we'll go for next. Robindra will tell me the present continuous.
Isn't she have the secret?
Isn't she have?
Isn't she
Has
having the secret?
Isn't she having the secret? Absolutely right. Isn't she having the secret? Isn't she having the secret? Yeah, Nisha ji, tell me the present perfect.
Hasn't she? Sorry, yeah, but third form had the secret.
You're asking or you're telling?
No, I'm asking.
Don't ask, you have to speak.
Yeah. Hasn't she had the secret?
You're asking questions, so your pronunciation would also go high. Okay, but anyways, the answer is here, absolutely right. Hasn't she had the secret? Your answer should be so confident that if your
Okay.
students, if anybody even tell that Nisha ji, you are wrong, so
Yes.
you should fight for it that I'm not wrong.
Wrong.
You should
Yes,
be
sir.
damn confident.
Yes.
Okay, so okay, hasn't she had the secret? Okay, next I'll go to Prashanti. Can you tell me the present perfect continuous?
Then she had been the secret.
No. Please again repeat.
Okay. Hasn't she
In having.
Please, Ravindra. Yeah, Prashanti.
hasn't she have been the secret?
No, where is the been? Where is the been? The been is not there in your sentence. Been should be there in your sentence.
Hasn't she having the been secret? But
Can you
like you?
hasn't she been having the secret? Hasn't she been having the secret? Hasn't she been? Been is there in present perfect. This been verb is always there. Please, please, please.
Yes, yes.
We are right now in a phase 2 last class, phase 1 last grammar class. We cannot dare to make any mistake. Yeah, Shreya, can you tell me the past indefinite? Your voice is not coming. Somehow your voice is not coming. Okay, Shogato, will you try past indefinite?
Didn't she have the secret?
Didn't she have the secret? Didn't she have the secret? क्या उसके पास secret नहीं था? Didn't she have the secret? Jasmeet, will you try the past continuous?
I try, sir.
Yeah, please.
Was once
Wasn't
she having the secret?
Wow, very nice. Wasn't she having the secret? Wasn't she having the secret? Very nice. Nomita, will you try past perfect?
Yes, sir. Hadn't she had the secret?
Again, repeat.
Hadn't she had the secret?
2 times you are using had. Are you sure?
Yes.
You are 50% sure, I guess. Hadn't
No,
she
sir.
had?
Had is a third form.
Haan, so I'm asking.
Hadn't she had the secret?
So you
Sir,
are 100%.
had is yes, past participle form had. Hadn't she had the secret?
Absolutely. आप तो कैसे ही डर गए?
नहीं, मैं नहीं. I know that.
Yeah, very nice. This is called confidence. You know, this confidence, I really like it. Very nice. Okay, very good. Now I'll go to next person. Okay, whom should I go? Prakashni, will you try
Sir,
the next
I
one?
have a doubt in present perfect. Then won't it be hasn't she have the secret?
No, whenever you use has, no, after has, it should always be past participle, the next verb. Whenever you use has or had, the next second verb or the next verb should be in past participle. So it will never be have, it will always be had. So hasn't she had? Hasn't she had?
Hadn't she been having the secret?
Absolutely right. Hadn't she been having the secret? You know, the sentences are very very long, and it's basically very uncomfortable when you speak these kind of sentences. So but our focus is we are just trying to construct the sentences. Okay, maybe in future we may not be using all sentences, but at least our mind should be equipped with all the, you know, possibilities, so that we can speak anytime as per the situation demands. Okay, we'll go for Robindra. Robindra, can you tell me the future indefinite?
Won't she has the secret?
Again, repeat. There's a small mistake.
Won't she have the secret?
Won't she have the secret? Won't she have the secret? Yeah, Prashanti, I'm giving you another chance.
Won't she be having the secret?
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Won't she be having the secret? Absolutely right. You know, I am very happy to see, you know, we should be confident. Rather, I would say, you know, if you are making mistake also, no, sometimes you should show that, you know, I'm very confident. I would, you know, sometimes it works a lot. Okay. Okay, Nisha, will you try future perfect?
Yes, sir. Wait. It will be, won't she have had the secret?
Again, please.
Won't she have had the secret?
Won't. Okay. Won't she have had the secret?
Yes, sir.
Won't she have had the secret?
secret?
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Very nice. Okay, the last I will be asking to Bhavna.
Sir. Won't she have been having the secret?
Yeah, absolutely right. Very nice. Okay, so you people are doing absolutely wonderful work.